Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So, in continuing with the task at hand, we have that this particular connection or its design cannot be verified under the Eurocode, in this example, due to the series of issues we can see in this area. So, let's go ahead and find out more about these problems. And for this purpose, let's begin, of course, by taking a closer look at the report. Now, as we can see, this time, the problem seems not to be related with the integrity of the welds or similar, but with a missing structural property in the component, or specifically the plastic cross-section modulus of the column. And for this reason, there's no way for the program to determine if the found moment resistance of the column base plate is actually correct. Now, in this occasion, this particular problem is caused due to the fact that the structural section for this particular component has not been correctly defined, meaning that although we have used a wide flange column from the library, this component doesn't present the needed structural properties, or those which belong to the particular type of section being considered, or properties such as the section's nominal weight, torsional moment, and of course the plastic modulus of the section. So, and in order to fix this problem, and instead of the properties of the connection, we need to go ahead and define the section shape of the column, and thus the subsequent structural properties of the section. Let's proceed then and close these results and the connection's properties. So, and with these properties thus defined, let's continue and verify once more the design of all these connections. As an example, let's begin by taking a look at the base plate connection. To begin, and as you may assume, let's go to the first category and determine both the required design code and the found internal forces in the connection.